We often wonder why we need insurance when we are young, healthy, have multiple sources of income. But we must understand that life is full of uncertainties. The chances of occurrence of an event causing losses are quite uncertain. There are risks of accidental death and disability for human life, fire and burglary risk for property, perils of sea for shipment of goods, and so on. If any of these take place, the individual or organizations may suffer a great loss. It is to minimize the impact of such uncertainties that there is a need for insurance. Now we will understand the meaning of insurance. The emotional and psychological loss can never be compensated, but at least the financial loss can be compensated with insurance. An entity which provides insurance is known as an insurance or an insurance company, while a person or entity covered under the policy is called an insured. Insurance is a form of risk arrangement. Insurance is a legal contract between two parties, the insurance company and the individual that is insured, wherein the insurance company promises to compensate the insured for financial losses due to specific contingencies or perils, and the amount the insured pays for this arrangement is called premium. The contract or agreement is put in writing and is known as policy. Now we will understand the importance or need of insurance. We can understand the importance or need of insurance with the help of an example. Nikhil bought a car of rupees 10 lakhs. He purchased car insurance covering third party insurance plus own damage. He also bought medical insurance, while his friend Ravi bought a car of rupees 11 lakhs. He purchased a third party insurance because third party is compulsory in India. Ravi thought that purchasing any other insurance is a waste of money. After 6 months, due to unforeseen circumstances, Nikhil and Ravi met with an accident. Nikhil got a claim for his car damage as well as a claim for his hospitalization expenses. On the other hand, Ravi was having third party insurance only. So he paid the car repair expenses as well as hospital expenses from his own pocket. Here we may clarify that third party insurance means that whenever an accident occurs, the damage or loss or injuries suffered by the other person are payable, and any damage or injuries suffered by the person insured himself are not covered at all. There are many people like Ravi who think purchasing insurance is a waste of money. It is a very important to have some specific insurance products in life. Insurance acts as a financial backup at the time of emergency. Insurance helps in securing future. Insurance gives us peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.